Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am recording a Crock-Pot taco meal. So first I am just getting out my Crock-Pot liner and putting it around my Crock-Pot so I don't make a huge mess in my actual pot. Next I am just opening up the package of ground beef. I believe this was like 1.5 pounds, somewhere around there. So I then added a package and a half of taco seasoning. Next, I am going in with some green salsa. I was having a hard time opening it. And I'm just using, I believe, even though I didn't use the whole jar in this clip, I actually did end up using the whole jar just to make sure I had enough liquid in the pot. So here I'm just breaking it all down, getting it mixed up so that I can rest assured that everything is cooking together and evenly. Then I just closed up my crock pot once I felt like it was all combined enough, and then I am just going to set it on high. And let's see, for 3.5 is what I chose. And it comes out perfect.